I received these silicone bowl liners for KitchenAid mixers as a gift, and I wanted to share a closer look because these are one of the simple things that can make a big difference in the kitchen. These are designed to fit the 4.5 to 5 quart mixing bowls, so they're compatible with most standard KitchenAid mixers, which is really nice if you already have one and don't want to deal with swapping out bowls or buying extras. In the video, I'm showing what they look like right out of the packaging. They come in a few different colors. The ones I have are blue, green, and beige, which I think is nice just for the little variety or even organizing different uses. The material is flexible silicone, so it's easy to place inside your mixing bowl and remove when you're done. It kind of molds right into the shape of the bowl, so it sits really well and doesn't feel awkward or bulky. One of the biggest benefits is that it's non-stick, which means whatever you're mixing doesn't cling to the sides the same way it normally would with a metal bowl. That alone makes cleanup so much easier. Instead of having to scrub your mixing bowl, you can just pull the liner out, rinse it or wash it, and you're done. In the video, I'm showing how it fits inside the bowl and how easy it is to take in and out. It's definitely one of those things that's really simple, but once you have it, you realize how convenient it is. Something I'm especially excited about is using these for sourdough. If you've ever worked with a sourdough, you know how sticky and messy it can get. So having a non-stick liner like this is going to make a huge difference. I haven't used it for that yet, but I can already tell it's going to be perfect for mixing, resting, and handling dough without everything sticking together everywhere. These would also be great for other things like batter, doughs, or anything that tends to be sticky or harder to clean up. Another thing I like is that they're reusable. So instead of constantly dealing with cleanup or extra bowls, you can just rotate through these liners and keep things moving. Overall, this is a really simple but really useful kitchen addition. It helps with easy cleanup, reduces sticking, and just makes the whole mixing process more convenient. And like I said, I'm especially excited to try these out with sourdough because I think that's where they're really meant to shine. If you use a stand mixer often, this is definitely one of those little upgrades that can make your life easier.